Or see that pretty phone again?
You can't eat that. No, you can't. No, you can't eat that, baby.
You had your finger instead then.
Maybe in a couple of days. Maybe in a couple of days we can do you a bottle or something, okay? No, no. No.
You silly. You so silly.
And she probably filled this up here all the time, her little feeding tube. Kimberly. Kimberly, what you doing, baby? Huh? Yeah. You can't eat Daddy's finger. No, no. I watch
You
it.
so silly. You can't suck on my finger. Nuh-uh. You can't suck on that, silly. Nuh-uh. What is her doing?
No. Here, you want your hand? You can have your hand. Well, okay, there you go. It's like, Mama, that's not what I wanted.
Don't hurt your eyes, silly.